Try to rub him off.
What's your big brother doing, huh? He wants to ride him.
Okay, you gotta be calm around.
He's just trying to get on the porch.
He's a big animal.
They let him get on the porch.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
You want to hold him up the breaker? Whatever it is.
I want to ride him. I want to ride him. What the mother's going to ride him? Let me on that horse. You want to ride the horse? You want to ride the horse? Willie! 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 Hey, buddy.
Hang on a second.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I can't feed him and hold him at the same time.
It was hard for me to...
Can we get him back on?
It should be her turn, ain't it?
Well, he's...
Hang on,
We'll let him
Gabriel.
ride a little bit more. Just hold his hand. You gotta hold my hand. If you're gonna ride, you gotta hold my hand.
Hold his hair. At least hold his hair. Somebody has to hold you, baby.
He's like, get off.
And Grammy hold you?
Yeah, you don't.
There we go.
Oh, baby.
You don't like it.
It's been lagging along.
You want down off that dog?
All right. Whoa. We're done. All done. Yes.
You rode the horse. You're such a big boy.
You did.
The horse is going night-night.
Of course you can.
He's going to go night-night. Yeah, he had to go night-night. Ooh, would you like that horse? Did you like that horse?
Was that fun, buddy? You like riding the horse?
Did you ride Gigi's horse?
Did you ride the horse, buddy?
Did you ride Wee Willie? That's a big horse for you to ride, isn't it? Was it a dog or a horse? Was it a dog or a horse?
It was a horse. It was a little
What do you think? Was it a dog or a horse?
What's wrong with this chair?
You want to see pictures of you riding the horse?